It's a polar bear. A monkey on a skateboard. A bunny in a tutu.
Inspiring imagination every day. Build-A-Bear Workshop, a proud sponsor of Disney Channel.
Let's return to Fa La La Days on Disney Channel with Gravity Falls.
You are watching the Gamut Network. We'll be right back.
There are these troublemakers who got grounded all the time. Like Kaylu gets grounded.
No! I will not eat my meat for peas and mashed potatoes!
Kaylu, we do not yell at the dinner table, and Dora gets grounded.
Dora, I can't believe you littered poop and got sent to jail. You are grounded once you get out of prison.
The Awful Life of Kaylu and Dora. Saturdays at 7 p.m. on Go Animate Network.
Oops, my system crashed. I lost my data, but I had an antivirus. Antivirus is not enough. You need Protegent, world's only antivirus with data recovery software. Think beyond antivirus, think Protegent.
Your first set of wheels didn't come with complications, or strings, or hassles. It can be that way again. Tire Pros. Hassle-free, guaranteed.
Why play fantasy football when you can live in a Big Mac football fantasy?
After these messages, we'll be right back.
Careful!
They'll never find us here.
We made it!
Yes!
What do we do now?
Ride the Hollow Woods?
Yeah, let's go! Finally! I'm a star rider!
Now we can do everything together.
Starstable.com. Real adventures, real friends.
Oglow, full color glow in the dark. There's a whole new way to play, and it looks like this. Every sport in every color. Oglow, full color glow in the dark sports. During the day, you got game. But when the lights go down, Oglow kicks in full color. Every sport glows in the dark. Oglow, full color baseball, football, basketball, soccer, flying ring, and mega bounce balls. The one and only full color glow in the dark sports. Each sold separately. Oglow.
25th and 8th, please. I got the moon. You have a good day, man. You guys want to compete? I got something for you. Watch this. Take this, take this.
Okay, here we go. Ready?
Nintendo Switch is my way to play.
Buy select Nintendo Switch systems and save 50% on one of these Mario titles. Games rated E to E10+.
Oops, my system crashed. I lost my data, but I had an antivirus. Antivirus is not enough. You need Protegent, world's only antivirus with data recovery software. Think beyond antivirus, think Protegent.
Good afternoon, Babysitters Club.
After these messages will be light rain. A tornado watch and a wind advisory have been issued for our area by the National Weather Service.
The National Weather Service of Upton, New York has issued a tornado warning for the following areas. In New York, Nassau, Suffolk, Bronx, Kings, Queens, and Richmond. In Connecticut, Fairfield, Middlesex, and New Haven. And in New Jersey, Bergen, Essex, Hudson, Middlesex, Passaic, Somerset, and Union, until 8:35 p.m. At 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a tornado just outside Hackensack, New Jersey, moving 60 miles per hour. Locations affected include Hackensack, Rutherford, Jersey City, Staten Island, Coney Island, Queens, Hempstead, Garden City, Far Rockaway, Long Beach, Glen Cove, Oyster Bay, Fairfield, New Haven, and Middlesex. Expected hazards include tornado and golf ball-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. In addition to the tornado, this storm is capable of producing golf ball-size hail and destructive straight-line winds. This dangerous storm will be near Hackensack, Rutherford, and Jersey City around 5:50 p.m. Staten Island, Coney Island, Queens, Bronx, Hempstead, Garden City, and Far Rockaway around 6:15 p.m. And Long Beach, Glen Cove, Oyster Bay, Fairfield, New Haven, and Middlesex around 7 p.m. Take cover now. Move to a basement or the lowest part of your home. If no basement is available, seek shelter on the lowest floor in the building in an interior hallway or room such as a closet. Use blankets or pillows to cover your body, and always stay away from windows. If in a mobile homes or vehicles, evacuate to a substantial shelter. If no shelter is available, lay flat in the nearest ditch or other low spot and cover your head with your hands. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9:50 p.m. for the following areas. In Rhode Island, Providence, Washington, Kent, and in Massachusetts, Worcester, Dukes, Norfolk, and Plymouth.
On the vertical here and see, taking a slice through from southwest to northeast, and we may have caught a funnel cloud or a tornado there. Look how this little slice comes down. At worst, what we're catching is
Seattle.
Eskimo.
Europe. Your place or anything like that.
I know, you have to say
no. Seattle.
Okay. Well, starting close. I'm just figuring. Fiji.
Iceland. Delaware. Ethiopia. Wait, sorry, what?